this new spot that would never fish, and there's probably the most wind in a long time at this spot. It's in Quincy, and also, if you guys didn't notice, we got our first ever try at merch. I'll talk about it later in the video after we go fishing. So let's get. So there's some brutal wind here. I'm not sure how it'll affect the sound, but hopefully not too bad. Here, I'll go check it out. I'll be right back. Wow, this is really windy. Wow, what a nice day. It's actually amazing. Yeah, so this is really coming in hard right now, but it's probably gonna turn. It's gonna turn pretty soon, and then all of a sudden, it's gonna be crazy. Catching a lot of weeds so far. Not a lot of fish, lots of weeds. Oh my, this is literally the windiest conditions I think I've ever seen in these parts. It's just so windy. It's much calmer now. No more wind, at least for now. You know, I gotta say, fishing in Boston is one of the coolest things. It's just so nice to be able to fish just right where you are, saltwater. It's really, really cool. All right, well, it looks like it's gonna start raining. Oh boy. Tick heaven in here. Ooh, it's so muddy. Ah! Okay, canceled. Oh, that idea is canceled. Oh boy. Got one. Cal caught a fish. Oh my goodness. That is crazy. All right, well, our first guy got a fish today. So they're in here. Cal with the first fish of the day. That's awesome. Excellent. All right, this is the first ever attempt at putting this thing underwater. We'll see how it goes. Cal? 0 for everyone else.
He's having trouble getting.
Should I just go over there at this point? Because I'm probably gonna get him. Cal got 2 stripers. We are on the move again. We'll see what happens. We're going to our favorite spot in Neponset. Hopefully we can get something there. Success in the past, so we'll see what we can do today. Well, it's really turned into a nice day. You know, I was looking pretty bad earlier, but it's kind of recovered. Hopefully we can get some stuff. It's looking the highest I think I've ever seen it here. We've been here a little while and there's not too much action going on. I kind of just really like the sky in this video. I just hope we can get another fish today. I mean, Cal,
I think we can now.
Yeah, Cal.
3 people out here.
Cal caught 2, so.
We got 3 of us plus these other 2 guys. So there's 4 people fishing.
We're due. You're getting hit? Are you serious? How slow are you reeling? Dad, are you serious about feeling hits? I was just thinking.
Yep, he's got a fish. Look, he's got a bass.
Where?
He's got a bass in his hand. Get out your.
Oh my!
You're missing a million hits.
Cal, get it! Oh my God! Oh! Oh my! He's coming. You gotta film that, Cal.
coming our way.
Film it, film it. Do you have it? He literally has a striper.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's so sick.
Cal, get the camera, quick, quick, quick. He's got one. Oh my, he's got one. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Get that.
Do you?
Oh, that was insane. Oh my God, this will be the best ever. That means the bass are everywhere in here.
Look at those dead. Look at those birds over there. Those.
That's a 2 for 2.
I've never seen that. He had a baby striper, Dad. Just like. Kel, get that boat. Get that. Go above that boat, Kel. Can you go right above it, Cal, and follow it for a bit?